G'day guys, today I'm going to show you how to tie on the simple Snell knot. It's a very quick and effective way to tie your hook onto your line, and it's a very strong knot because there's no pinch points in this knot. So what you want to do is grab your hook and your main line and pass it through the eye of the hook, like so, and line it up against the shank of your hook. Then with this main line you want to wrap it around the shank and the line 6 to 8 times. And it's important when you do this that you do it nice and tight. So here we go, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you run out of room, just bunch it up a little bit. 7, 8. And then just hold it with your thumb and your index finger so it doesn't unravel. Then pass this main line back through the eye of the hook. And nice and evenly pull down on it so it bunches up against the eye of the hook. And that's your simple Snell knot. Now I like to use this knot when I'm setting it up in a 2-hook rig, so I'll show you how we do that. So we've got one already tied up here, so there's a hook tied to the end of your line, and say you want to put a secondary hook a couple inches back for a live bait or a bigger bait. What you want to do is sort of in reverse, just pass that line through the eye of the hook and pull it down to the position that you want it in relation to your first hook. So say we want it about 4 inches back, just hold it there with your main line, same as we did before, just wrap it around 8 times. 6, 7, 8, hold it there, pass it through and pull it down. Nice and tight so it doesn't unravel. So that's how you tie the simple Snell knot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment, and I'll catch you on the next one.